Oh, that's awesome with DS Diving with the boat Windfall, formerly known as Just Had Fun. It is 11/27/2023. It's your active video. Let's go have a look at it. It's extremely silty down there. I let it sit as long as I could. But let's see if we can get a good video. Looks like you got a lot of electrolysis. I believe that's what it's called. Dane, the boss, might have to correct me on that. But a lot of little pieces, a lot of rust, little spots, stuff like that. But let's go take a look at the zinc, see how that's looking. That's looking pretty good. All right, once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.